Karatbars International, founded in 2011, Stuttgart, Germany, by Senator Dr. Harold Seitz. Now active in more than 130 countries with over 600,000 customers and business partners. The company's excellent reputation is reflected by long-term partnerships with global brands including FedEx and MasterCard. The core mission is clear: creating wealth and eliminating debt by making gold affordable and available to everyone. This is achieved with the Karatbars product line, which so far includes cash gold, which is gold in the form of physical notes or digitally with KaratPay. The K1 phone, the world's first decentralized phone with an integrated payment system. A global network of ATMs to distribute cash gold to the people. Karat Merchant, the revolutionary POS software which can be integrated into any offline or online business and allow them to accept gold as payment. Financial freedom is already being achieved by many of our partners. Be part of this revolution as we bring our products to millions of customers worldwide. Stake your claim. Take part in the 21st century gold rush.